All right, so the tools you're gonna need, you need a drain pan, a transfer pump, you need an 18mm and a 10mm Allen key or a hex head. You gotta remove your skid plate here. So you got 1, 2, 3, and 4 right there. 18mm. All right, next up, you've got 2 plugs right here. This is your top one and your bottom one. You want to take this one out first, and then we're going to take this one out so it drains a little bit easier. You're going to need a 10mm. I just got a Allen key right here. It fits right in there. You'll have a little bit start leaking out right here. And this is the level we're going to fill it back up to. Next, you got your drain plug here, same 10mm fit. I'm just going to let this drain out controlled because I don't want it going everywhere. Then from here, you're just going to let that drain out. Alright, once you're basically done here with dripping, you put your plug back in. Again, you don't have to tighten these very tight, really just hand tight. I'll put the torque specs in the comments. Next, you're going to have your 2 quarts of transmission fluid and your transfer pump. So you're going to have one of these to be able to suck it out of the bottle and to stick it into the transfer case. Alright, so from here, get your transfer pump, dip it in. Be real careful not to tip over this bottle. Stick it in your case, start pumping. It'll take about 2 quarts. I'm gonna fill until we start seeing leaks come out of here. Back up, back up. Starting to drip out now. So it's a sign that we've filled it up enough. Then once you've got it all filled up, just stick your cap back on there. And there we go. After that, you just need to install your skid plate back under here, clean up a little bit, and you're good to go.